In this video, I'll show you how to change elements in the image with Canva Magic Edit tool. Very fast, easy, and cool. Let's say you have a beautiful bedroom picture, but there are some elements you want to change, such as an ashtray to a vase of flowers, a sofa to a bicycle, and a window to a sea view. Just like this. No Photoshop skill needs. Just prompt. Here we go. Insert images into your presentation or document in Canva. Then select the area of the element you want to change, such as this ashtray here, by clicking on the Edit Image command. Then click on Magic Edit. There are two options: Brush and Click. 1. Brush is using brush on the area you want. Click is to let Canva analyze the elements in an image. I will use the brush to turn the ashtray into a rose vase. Adjust the brush size here to fit the area of the object. I prefer 40. Drag a mouse to brush area around object. Size of area will affect to size of new object too. I imagine a tall shape of a vase rose. This looks good. Go to a Describe your edit box. Describe clearly what you want to see. For example, a vase full of roses. Click a Generate button. Wait for moments. You can go to have some coffee. Hooray! I got it. You can choose other images from here. Or click a Generate Again button for regenerate stuff. Here they are. Click a Done button to finish a job. Now, I'll try Click. It's faster and more precise than Brush. Canva AI quickly scan image to identify elements in it. You can click to select an element that you want to change it. I click on a sofa and replace it with a classic bicycle. And I got it. Wow! Lastly, I'll change a normal window to a sea view. Let's go. Click on a curtain at the window. I change it to a beautiful seaside view with sunset. And generate. Grab a snack and wait a second. Done. Yahoo! And all this is Magic Edit tool in Canva. You can use this feature even if you aren't using Canva Pro. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.